Today's topic is to associate a single value to all the items of a list. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1 by using a map and a lambda function, and the method 2 by using a zip and a repeat method. Let's start from the first method, that is by using the map method and lambda function. First, we are going to initialize our list and a value which we are going to assign to all the elements of our list. After that, we are going to use a map and a lambda. The map, it's going to have a function and a iterable as an parameters of it. In the function, we have used a lambda over here. So lambda I, it tends to be I comma x of our iterable is a list one. That is, for an every element of an I, that is the list of an I, we are having them as a tuples, which is element of our list one, and the value which we are going to repeat, which is I comma x. And after that, we are again converting them into the list since it's already a tuple, and we are storing them in the list 2, and we are having them as an output. As you can see it over here, our list 1 comprises of up to 1 to 5 elements, and the value is triple A, which have been assigned them together.